Happy Tuesday. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in Cornish Beach, Abu Dhabi. See guys, I'm here in the Cornish Beach, Abu Dhabi, walking beside the sea. See, this is Cornish Beach. It's a long beach. That side is Marina Mall. The other side is the Mina Port, Abu Dhabi, the right side. The left side is Marina Mall. This is what I miss for how many months. I won't be able to do this because the weather is very hot. Now, because I'm not busy and the weather is not very hot, the weather is slowing down. That's why I was be able to walk here. This is what I miss for how many months. And now is I'm not so busy because I'm on leave for 1 month. But even though I'm on leave, I have so many things need to do in the house. I just resting. I'm tired of walking around for how many? I already 1 hour walking. I need to rest for a while and then I'll go home because I need to do something. And I have appointment with my cardiology doctor later. After lunch. I need to be in the hospital before 1 o'clock. See? That's the Cornish Beach. This is the Cornish Beach. I need to go back home now. I bring umbrella because 8 o'clock the sun is very hot already. See? My golden crown. The sun is my favorite creation of God. The golden brown. Golden crown. A golden crown. See, that's the beach. Oh, it's a beach. See.